Hey friends, good evening everyone. And in this video, we'll discuss about the survey process, how to do surveys in Cointiply. And this is the third video of the Cointiply series, and this is the last video. In this video, we'll discuss in details about how you can earn from surveys from this site, exciting site Quantiply. And friends, let's directly go to the service section of the sites. So for this, you just need to click here earn and then click complete service or offer walls, whatever you want. Let's click here complete service. Okay. uh, we can directly go from here. This survey is 4.5 USD or 45,000 coins survey. And so you can start from here, from individual offer walls like CPX or other, or also you can click here directly to earn some coins. If you see some very high paying service like this, 45,000 coin, that means 4.5 USD in cryptocurrency. So I will click here, I start survey. Let's see if I can qualify or not. Remember, you won't be able to qualify in every service because they ask very specific type of person. They are looking for very specific type of person. Like suppose you don't smoke, and they are asking, they are trying to get some people who smoke for advertising smoking products. So you won't be able to do this service because you are not perfect for their uh, product or their advertisement. Oh sorry, you cannot do with the sites here with proxies, so we'll use other. Here you can open CPX research. Sometimes they got our proxies, and to avoid this you can change your proxy, or you can use some setting in Mozilla Firefox. I have a video about privacy settings so that the sites can't get your proxy. Okay, sorry, I can't do service from CPX. Let's try theorem research. Let's see whether it work or not. Oh sorry, it is also disturbing. uh, this overall is new to me, I didn't work in it. So let's see whether it works or not with this proxy. And if it didn't work with this proxy, we'll change our proxy and try whether it is the problem for proxy or the site. You can try from your PC and from your proxy, because it may work differently for different proxies. And sorry, this is also not working. Friends, you can earn from Survey Junkie. Let's see if you offer. Register with valid information, complete full profile questionnaire, and then complete an actual survey. Wow, that's great. You will get $2 for this. Real brand want real opinion on cash and gift card for taking service. Okay, that's cool. but I want much more offer because $2 is not enough for me. Bingo. Install and open the app. Sign up with a valid info to receive a reward. Okay, these are very exciting. You can complete this offer. Let's see what type of offer. Paid or full users sign up and install as defined by consumers tracking system. They'll check your offer whether you really using their app or not. There are casino or other options. Let's try surveys again. Uh, let's go here. Open your network. This is also very exciting offer wall, and I think I need to change the IP to see whether it works with another proxies or not. I think it will work. Okay, my language, they are asking for language English. You just need to answer their questions honestly. My name, you can see from here, is Steve Johnson. So my first name is Steve and last name is Johnson. Then they are asking for my address. I'll give you address here. I will suggest you to give your address because in some surveys they provide some products or something like that to your house. So if you provide the real address, it will be helpful for you. But I am providing this address here, and my country is United States. States of America. My state is California, and city is Los Angeles. Okay, I will input it manually. My gender, I'm male, and my date of birth is May 9, 1994. Sorry, 1994. And my zip code, you can see from here that 90065. 90065, and ethnicity is white. So now click here, join now. They will let's see again, join now. Okay, they will show some surveys. And friends, actually these are the real rules for doing surveys. You just need to answer the questions carefully. Don't mismatch your answers, because suppose in one answer you say that you have one child, and in another answer you say you had three child or only one child, then your account will be blocked. Friends, at present there are no service available for me in this offer wall. We will try in some other offer wall. Your your survey. I will suggest you not to do some your surveys. And here bitlabs, you can enjoy this site bitlab. Let's see what they offer. Friends, I am extremely sorry for that my proxy is working very slowly. This is very disgusting to me too, but I will suggest you to be patient and watch my video from first to last, so that you can earn very important things about earning from this site. uh, Here are some surveys. It will record around 3 minutes, and it will provide 9,000 coin, that means 90 cents around. And this is very exciting survey. That means in 7 minutes you can earn $1.5, or in this sites in 2 minutes $2. These are very exciting. But before doing surveys, I just need to complete profile here. So click here, accept. My language is English. I'll click here. If you know some other language like Spanish or Indonesian, then you can select this also. Now click continue, and my date of birth is 9 of May 1994. Okay, click continue. I'm male, continue. And now I'm white American, so I'm clicking here. I'm not Hispanic, so I'm clicking no, I'm not Hispanic. And my monthly income is around $95,000. I'm employing full time in a company, so I'm clicking here this. Friends, I will suggest you to follow my answers. These are very uh, good for getting some exciting surveys. I'm working as an administrator, or you can give your according to your position. And there are almost more than 500 people in my company, and I'm married. I lived in a owned apartment. This is my own apartment, so I'm selecting this. And of course I am registered to vote. And finally they are asking for my zip code. Let's get it from here. Nine double 065. Okay, continue. Friends, my profile survey is completed, and now I have the opportunity to do these surveys. First let's go to there. 4 minutes for $2. Let's see whether I can complete this or not. Okay, industry segment of the company for VC work. I'm working in automotive. So continue. Friends, don't be hurry while doing surveys. You should put your answers very carefully, otherwise you will get kicked off the surveys. Okay, I'm disqualified from the survey, so I need to try another. Friends, I won't make this video long. You just follow the instruction I have provided you in the whole video, the three series of this Cointiply. And if you follow from first to last, I think you can earn very much more dollar from the site, just for doing some surveys, and they paid in cryptocurrencies. These are very exciting. So friends, goodbye from for now, and see you in my next video. And I'll request you not to forget to subscribe my channel, and please click the bell icon. Thank you.